Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make a super easy, tasty, thin and very crispy caramel cookies. These are super easy to make and all the ingredient list is given in the description box. Please check it out. And here I've taken half a cup of almonds and slightly blended it in a blender. Now let's add this into a saucepan. And you might have noticed this red square in which I measured my almond flour. My 14-year-old niece Advait made this in his 3D printer. Thank you so much dear for gifting me this super cool measuring cube. Now let's add in the rest of the ingredients. Add around 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of honey, and add some salt, and you have to heat it up till the butter is melted and you have to boil the mixture for 1 minute. And while it is still warm, add around 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and mix it. Now add few drops of vanilla essence. Vanilla, butter, sugar, oh my god, it smells really divine. Now scoop around 1 tablespoon of this batter and place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. And leave good space in between each cookies because while baking these gonna spread really big. Now these are ready to get baked. Bake this for 8 minutes in 180-degree preheated oven. And after that transfer it into a wire rack and cool it down. You can use a spatula to take it out from the parchment paper, and once it cools completely you can see the beautiful lace design and how thin and crisp these cookies are. Our delicious crispy caramel cookies are ready. These are so delicious and you definitely have to try it out. And as these cookies are so thin, feel free to grab more than one in a take. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.